Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a vloggy vlog. I haven't vlogged in so long and I just wanted y'all to come spend the weekend with me. So we have a pretty eventful weekend, if I do say so myself. A lot of adulting things to do, but also a little bit of fun. So today is Saturday and I have 4 apartment tours scheduled. I have to move in a little over in a month, so I have to figure out where I'm gonna live. And the way prices are skyrocketing, I'm pretty sure everywhere, but I feel like everybody and a mama, cousin, brother, sister, uncle is moving to Dallas and rent just ain't the same. So I'm trying to go ahead and secure something before we mess around and rent be $3,000 a month over here. So I'm at my first viewing or showing. I don't really know what the proper term is right now, but I'm gonna just take y'all with me and show y'all a couple of units that I'm looking at. Then after that, I have lunch with my coworkers in Deep Ellum and we'll just take the day on from there. These are the only two things that I've had planned. Everything else, we're just gonna go with the flow. We're outside today and yeah, so I just wanted to check in, start the vlog off. So let's go ahead and go look at these apartments. So I'm done looking at apartments. We made it to Deep Ellum to meet up my coworkers for a lunch. We're in Harlow in Deep Ellum and we're about to go grab some lunch, some drinks, and catch a vibe. So I'll check in with you guys when we get inside the restaurant. Good morning, happy Sunday. Today is gonna be a chill Sunday reset type of day. Sundays are my favorite days for that reason, because I feel like I can get my shit together and start planning ahead for the upcoming week. This morning you guys probably saw me like make my bed, take Kodak out, just the normal stuff I do every day. But I'm getting ready to head to hot yoga. I haven't done yoga in like 2 months. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I might get my ass kicked today, so I will definitely let y'all know after the class. But I made some pre-workout to give me just an extra boost of energy. I went ahead and threw my elastic band over my head. I didn't tie it too tight because I'm already gonna be suffering in class. I cannot be suffering with my head as well. So I just tied this on there because it is hot yoga and I don't want my lace lifting. Working out as a black girl, you gotta do what you gotta do. So after yoga, I need to head to Trader Joe's to get some groceries. I need to clean my house and just get ready for the day and look at some more apartments and all of that. So I'll check in with you guys when we make it to yoga. Just made it back home from Trader Joe's. I didn't get that much stuff, but I wanted to go ahead and just show you guys what I did get. All of this costs $30, which is pretty cheap. So first thing I got was some movie theater popcorn. It's just a good snack to have around the house. I also got some kale. I love Trader Joe's kale because it's already chopped up for you. Quick and easy. I also got this organic salad mix, and I'm gonna use this with, let me grab it, the quinoa duo. So I'm gonna make some quinoa patties out of this, and then I'm going to pair it with this salad. It's so good. I also got the multi-grain blend with vegetables. This is really good. I like to make this and then have a side of like green vegetables on the side. Usually I do broccoli. And then I got my vegetable, the Thai vegetable gyozas. I love these things. They're a quick dinner item. If you don't have time or you don't feel like cooking, you can just make those. And then sauce that goes with it is the Trader Joe's gyoza dipping sauce. These two together, mwah, chef's kiss. I also got these. It's their sparkling water in the watermelon lemonade flavor. They're like 40 cents a piece. So I was like, let me try. And this is a new item that I picked up. It's the spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip. I'm gonna get some, probably like wheat thins or some type of cracker so that I can try this out. But it sounded good, so I'm excited. Hopefully it's good. And then I also got the Trader Joe's hash browns. These are the best hash browns, and argue with your mama. They good, okay? Also new, I got the South African smoke spice. I've been seeing this around. I'm always down to, you know, zhuzh up my meals. So it has paprika flakes, sea salt, garlic, and basil. But I heard it's really spicy, so I really love spice in my food. So I'm excited to try this. And then lastly, I just got 2 waters because I'm out of water, and I'm gonna go to Sam's and Walmart tomorrow to get all of my necessities. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I got. And like I said, I spent what was the total? I spent $33.59. So shout out to Trader Joe's for being affordable and convenient and always having the good food. So now that we're back, I am going to clean really quick. I don't have much to do because thankfully I cleaned on Friday, so that helped me not have so much to do today. So I just need to wash the dishes, put a load of laundry in, fold a load of laundry, and then just sweep around the house, and then I should be good. And then the rest of my afternoon, evening is gonna be spent just looking at apartments until I can't look at apartments anymore.